I miss you, but not in the way I used to. Longing for a feeling, not a person. What I missed isn't you, it's the version of me that existed back then. The comfort, the routine, the idea. Attachment clings to familiarity. Love chooses someone, fully, honestly, presently. Attachment doesn't equal love. If you came back the same way you left, I wouldn't stay. That's clarity. Missing you doesn't mean I want you. It just means I'm human. Healing isn't numbness. I can honor what we were without reopening the door. Some chapters stay closed. If this resonated, you're not alone. Subscribe to Talebot Fables, hit the bell icon, and tell me, have you ever missed someone you'd never go back to? Your story matters.